How to turn off activity indicator on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner, you can find your avatar. Click on it. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this settings icon. Click on it. You will land to the settings page. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under privacy controls, you will find the option of activity indicator. Open it. When enabled, people will be able to see your last seen on Snapchat. Now to disable it, all you have to do is toggle off for this option activity indicator. With that, you have just turned off activity indicator on Snapchat. Now people won't know you're last active on Snapchat. Likewise, you won't be able to see the last active of the other people as well. Well, this is how you can easily turn off activity indicator on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.